Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming tube sizes and material compatibility, then clean both mating surfaces until bare metal shines. Once done, file and deburr the ends to ensure tight fit and full contact. Gaps cause weak joints. Next, position the tubes in a fixture or V-block and clamp securely while checking alignment with an angle gauge. Make sure to test fit any inserts or sleeves now so you won't disturb alignment later. You select the joining method based on load and environment. A slip-fit sleeve for alignment, compression fittings for pressure, or a flange for removable joints. Once chosen, trial assemble components. If using adhesive, abrade both surfaces and apply a thin uniform bead of structural epoxy, then clamp. For mechanical fasteners, pre-drill using a pilot size to the bolt, then install bolts or rivets and torque to spec. Make sure sealing surfaces are clean if fluid containment is required. You finish by allowing adhesives or sealants to cure fully under the recommended temperature and time, then remove clamps and perform final checks. Inspect the joint visually and use simple tests: pressure or soap bubble for leaks, torque and pull tests for strength, and a dial indicator for alignment. If you find leaks or looseness, tighten fasteners progressively and retest. If gaps persist, add a fillet of epoxy or replace the sleeve and remachine the tube ends to restore fit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.